Okay, good afternoon. I'm happy to be with you today. My name is Eva Sochuto, a farmer from Vihiga and the seed ambassador from Vihiga from Seed Savers Network. So here I want to show you the video of the beans that we have harvested this season. For the previous videos, I was able to share with you, tell you the chart that I have here. They've been receiving too much rain, which for this season I planted more than 70 varieties of beans. But through the challenge of the too much rain, they've been able to find 5 varieties that perish on our farm. But here we have different varieties that have hired some women and farmers that are helping us on threshing. So I'll take you around to see some of these varieties. Thank you. You can see this is one of varieties that have here. You can see the color of it. And have the label here, Gata Sizer. This is Gata Sizer is the name of the local name here. You can see these varieties, Nono Cream. The varieties have been destroyed with the too much rain here. You can look at this, look at that. You have too much rain here, but you have get a lot of loss of this seed. This Nono Cream, because there's Nono Cream, the varieties that you can see. For this year, I'll be expecting too much harvest of this year. Called Nono Cream, the varieties. Look at these varieties. One of the varieties is the early maturity, but too much when I destroy the seed from the period. Look at the already germinating. So for this, no longer seed used for for consumption, for grains. You can see some women here that are helping us on threshing. Look at this, they're helping us. For the seed, these are using the seed for threshing. This for only for consumption, not for the seed. When you are using the hard tool like this for doing the seed production, they destroy the seed. For the variety, use them for consumption. Because you are not able to make this seed viable again, because they destroy with rain. So after all this process and these stages, you'll be able to do sorting. You can look at these varieties. This is the one of a farmer who helping us for cleaning the seed. If you look, some of the seeds are turning. So after all this drying, well dry, the moisture of 7% moisture content, you'll be able to do sorting and use preservative and store in our community seed bank. When you look at this one, you look at mark because we are tracing these are climbing varieties for documentation to the characteristic of them. So you can look at them. Okay. So another hand, you are able to show you different things, varieties that are already prepared, but most of them have been destroyed. There are some mixed. You need to do sorting of them. So other area we are doing winnowing. Winnowing the varieties, we are just winnowing too for cleaning, and we dry so that we can preserve them and we store in a community seed bank. So these are a few of the varieties that we have. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for watching the video. Till next time. Thank you.